What's good, you guys? It's your boy ZT Zooming, and I'm back with a booming video for you guys. So this is gonna be a quick video, how to replace 2016 to 2020 plus Camaro, your door sills. I'm gonna explain everything to you guys. Super simple, easy process. Let's get it. Let's go ahead and get this door sill popped out of here. It should pop right out of here. Some clips stayed on, but then these clips came off and they stayed in their holes. So we'll get those out of there. Cool, got those pulled out. Take this old strip of tape off right here. A trim tool remover, and you need to pop out this one clip up here in the front. This clip is holding the carpet on. There's a connection right there. Pull up the weather stripping a little bit and get this out of there. Got the new one here. Before reinstalling, get a cleaning solution. I just got some rubbing alcohol on a rag here and clean up the area that the tape on the sill will go to. I fold it over so I've got a tab that'll be sticking out, and then I'll pull the cover on the tape off and stick it on there. The wire through the weather stripping. Got my 50 door sill back. Boom, and just like that, there's a super quick video on how to replace your door sill. Consider dropping a like, drop a comment down below. If you guys haven't seen my channel before, this is what we do, and I'm about to pro charge my car. This your boy ZT Zooming. I'm keeping it moving, baby, and I'm out. Peace.